Welcome back. Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission is with us this morning to teach us how to make a delicious snack perfect for New Year's Eve. Good morning, Charlene.
I love this because it's easy to make. You can make some adjustments to it, and you'll want to keep this recipe because it's great for all the football games too.
Absolutely.
Anytime you're needing some munchies. We're going to start out with our margarine, and I've melted it. We've got 2 tablespoons. You are going to mix in some hot pepper sauce here. You can just pour that into it. And this is an adjustment, so if you like it spicy, you can certainly add some more. And then we have some sesame oil there.
Alrighty.
There we go. Mix that in. And now we're going to put our nuts in here. And that's another way that you can make it your own. Add your favorite nuts in here. So we have cashews here. I'll put those in. We have walnuts.
Right here.
And pecans.
Go.
And then we have roasted edamame.
Yes.
And these are salted ones. They add a little bit of green to it. But I wanted to show that you can get it plain, the dry roasted edamame, or if you like that spiciness, these are wasabi ones.
Absolutely.
And they will definitely give you some spice. So now I'm going to pour that in.
Okay.
And we are going to just toss that a little bit. And then we have chili powder, some curry, ground curry, and some salt. And you'll just sprinkle that over it. And we'll toss it to cover it. And then this will go on a parchment covered baking sheet. And you're going to bake this just until the nuts get crispy. So 350, but then maybe 15, 20 minutes, stir it. And then another 15 minutes so that it's nice and toasted. This on a cold day, warm nuts would be great, wouldn't it? And
great for snack.
Yeah, and great snack. So here we go here with and you can smell that with all those smells.
Absolutely. Great smell there. And where can people get this recipe for spicy party nuts, Charlene?
Go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. We have all the recipes for December there, or they can call the 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN.
Well, Charlene, thanks so much for being with us this morning. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Stick around. We'll be right back.